The cap sellers and the monkey. One day a cap seller was sleeping under the tree. He had a cap on his head. A box of caps was lying beside him. There were monkeys on the tree. They saw the cap seller and the caps. They climbed down the tree. They took the caps and put them on their heads. When the cap seller woke up, he found the caps were missing. Whoop, whoop, called the monkeys. When he looked up, he saw the monkeys with his cap on their head. The cap seller knew that monkeys copied others. He took off his cap and threw it on the ground. All the monkeys took off the caps and threw them on the ground. The cap seller collected all the caps and went away.
जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर माझ्या चॅनलला लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. प्लीज लाईक अँड सबस्क्राईब टू माय चॅनल.